Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another community news update, all the main stories from the community and what's new with us as well. I'm joining you from the 3D Jake office in the center of Graz. Here is what's going on in 3D printing right now. First up, we got a ton of new stuff, like a lot. So let's go through it. mysteryPLA, magicPLA, silkPLA, sparkling PLA, new build plates, all the good stuff. Let's start with mysteryPLA. So this is our new tri-extruded filament. This has 3 colors in one filament. It is a great filament for something to look a little bit more ethereal. This one here is Berry Popsicle. It's a blue and purple and kind of greenish teal. These are probably the best filaments for vase mode, but totally suitable for any other project, just as long as it is not flat, because the effect is on the sides, of course. Next up is our magicPLA, and this one only has 2 colors if the 3 from our mysteryPLA is a bit overwhelming for you. We've had our magicPLA for a while, but this has new colors. This one here is Purple Delirium. I think it's my favorite, but we have a whole range to choose from as well. Okay, next up is our silkPLA, and this is replacing our Ultra Satin PLA. And I know a lot of you are familiar with this, so I've done a little comparison. This one here is our old Ultra Satin, and this one here is our silkPLA. And the difference is small, but it's noticeable. I'd say the Ultra Satin is not quite as vibrant. I think the new silkPLA is a lot more vibrant. It has a bit of a copperish hue to it on the gold, but we do have 10 colors to choose from, so whichever one takes your fancy. Next up is our sparkling PLA, and again, quite similar to our glitter PLA, so I've done a little comparison again. This one is our sparkling, this one is our glitter. The tone of the red is a lot deeper with our sparkling, and the actual glitter particles are more varied in size, which gives it a deeper effect, actually. I really, really like it. But again, we have a whole range to choose from, so whichever one you like. Okay, next up are our PET and PEI build plates. These are dual-sided build plates, one side which is textured PEI and the other side which is this beautiful holographic pattern which imprints a gorgeous texture on the base of your model. To show these off, I've printed some first layer tests. So this is just 1 or 2 layers on the build plate, and let's see what it looks like. I love printing these simply for how satisfying removing them is. Oh, I love that. Oh, the brim fell off. Okay, so this is what you can expect with these plates. They leave a pattern on the first layer that looks really pretty. This is the crystal, the carbon, and the magic. Beautiful. I think the magic one is quite subtle, but I really, really like the crystal one. There is also the carbon fiber style one, which is really nice, but no, I really like the crystal one. I will say you might need to adjust your Z offset a little bit just to get these absolutely perfect for the first layer. Generally, I don't care about the first layer of a print, just as long as it actually sticks to the build plate, but to get this pattern absolutely perfect all the way through the base layer of your print, you might need to adjust that Z offset a little bit. All right, that is our stuff out of the way. What else is going on in 3D printing? So you've probably heard about the A1 recall. So Bambulab are recalling a bunch of their A1 devices because of a design defect with the heat bed cable. Apparently this can lead to kinks and short circuits in the cable. So when you have a bed slinger that goes up to 500 millimeters per second, you probably do need good strain relief on your heated bed cable. This cable carries, 7-8 more amps perhaps, so it's a good idea to have it. When I first heard this, I thought the problem was the part of the cable that connects to the heated bed, but it's actually on the other side. It's the part of the cable which connects to the power supply. Anyway, I gather a lot of people are pretty disappointed with this. It's quite understandable. But when was the last time you heard of a 3D printer manufacturer actually making a recall and blocking sale from their website, offering a heat bed fix to individual customers, and offering a design for a cable protector? It's an ugly situation, yeah, for sure, but I think Bamboo did a pretty decent job of reacting to it. All right, what's next? So Ankermake have discontinued work on their V6 color engine. This was a MMU AMS type device with storage for 6 filaments, and it was announced with the M5, which was almost 2 years ago. And they've had lots of delays, but just recently they have announced that they are discontinuing work on it, unfortunately. Ankermake had high hopes for the V6 color engine. They were hoping to eliminate the use of purge towers in general, which would have been amazing because anyone who has AMS or MMU will know how much waste is created from these. It would have been great, but unfortunately we're not going to see this in action, and Ankermake are now offering refunds to their Kickstarter backers. Last but certainly not least, we have Thangs affiliate program. So everyone knows we love Thangs, especially when the gang likes to invade our Discord server, but they have something new for their community, that being the feature of earning revenue from model sales. So if you have a social media platform with a lot of traffic, you can set up an affiliate link on said platform and get a little bit of passive income. Yummy. By the way, we also have an affiliate partner for our product sale, so if you want to do the exact same thing, but with us, then just let us know. Okay, that about does it for this month, quite a bit actually. If you think there is a news story that we should cover in our next community news update, then just let us know. We'll be back with a short video on the weekend, so tune in then if you can. If you can't wait until then, you can join our Discord server. The link is down below in the description, and we'll see you there. So until next time, later.